Welcome to Building AI Credit Scoring Models. Credit scoring has entered a new era, where artificial intelligence meets financial risk analysis. In this hands-on 16-hour online course powered by Riskmathics, you'll learn how to design and implement AI-powered credit scoring models using Excel, Power BI, and real statistical tools. You'll master everything from traditional scoring methods to using large language models and specialized AI inside Power BI. Build smart credit decision systems, understand risk from both financial and ethical perspectives, and turn data into actionable insight. With real-world use cases and immediate Excel implementation, this program is designed to be used, not just studied. Built for financial analysts, credit risk professionals, and anyone ready to take scoring to the next level. Your models are only as powerful as the mind behind them. Enroll now. Transform information into influence.